Let's read some words in Arabic. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Great! ما فتحة ما ألف همزة سكون ماء ماء ما فتحة ما ألف همزة سكون ماء ماء ط فتحة ط عين فتحة ع ألف ميم تنوين الضم من طعام. Can you say it again? طعام. Good job. It means food. Can you read this word? Right. طعام. Can you read this word? Correct. ماء. Good job. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for watching. If you like me, please subscribe.